Hey lights, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, please be sure to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and also introducing yourself in the comment section so we can welcome you formally to the family. As you can tell by the title of today's video, it is just me discussing the changes I have decided to make on my channel. There are a bunch of things I'll be tweaking here and there. Basically, I'll just be changing the dynamics of my channel, and if you like to find out those changes, which I know you will love, please keep on watching. Before I begin, I just wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for the love on my last video. If you're returning here and you saw my last video where I mentioned the fact that I lost my job, the love was overwhelming. The outpour of love via DM, via the comment sections, even phone calls, text messages, everybody was so sweet. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys make me feel so special. Thank you so much. It's 2020 now, and I've decided to pick up myself and move on. I won't be looking for any job anytime soon. I want to invest in my YouTube career and see where that takes me. So this brings me to this video of the day. I have thought about it over and over again, and I decided that this is what I want to do. But that being said, I know that it's going to require a lot of work. Because of these changes, I feel like so many other opportunities will be open to me regarding my YouTube career. For those feeling my hair and my makeup in today's video, I know I look bomb. I took out time to put in some extra work. I have a video on my Instagram where I did a short video on how I achieved the makeup look and the hair dits as well. So many people ask me about my hairs. Anytime I film a video, they say, oh, what hair are you using? So I left the detail of this one on my Instagram. I leave it on the screen here so you can just go there and check it out for yourself. By the time this video drops, I am sure that the IGTV video on Instagram will be up. So yeah, I just had to put it out here. My channel has been there since 2018, known basically for fashion hauls, a lot of vlogs, and a bit of makeup tutorials and some recipe videos here and there. That is not going to change. However, I'm going to be creating content that is more well thought of. I won't do more of filler content this year because I noticed that going back to my YouTube my playlist, I noticed that I had a lot of filler videos, and that's about to change. I'm going to think of content that will benefit me as well as other people that come to this channel. I want my channel to be a one-stop for everybody, whether you're looking for fashion, makeup, vlogs, IT. I'm going to be including my IT side here with a bit of beginner hacks here and there for different computer things, which you guys will watch very soon. I'm going to be filming that. Also, I'll be introducing a YouTube beginner series where I'll give out tips for new content creators, how you can grow your channel, what type of videos you should do, just basic hacks and tips and things that really benefit you. Even existing content creators can learn a thing or two. And I also came up with this idea of an entrepreneurship series. Basically what it is just me talking about things that have affected me in one way or the other. During this my stay-at-home period, I had a lot of thinking to do, and I came up with tips on how you can make money, not necessarily by having a 9-to-5 job. So I'll be giving out those tips as well. And I also want to begin a plus size fashion series where I'll be styling myself, and if need be other people. I'll look out for models that are willing to be styled by me and do a video just basically showcasing that being plus size doesn't necessarily mean that you have to look tacky. And I also do vlogs, but that I'm going to tone down a bit. I know you guys love vlogs a lot, but I'm going to tone it down a bit so that I can infuse these new categories, and we'll see how it goes. I'm also going to be putting out more makeup tutorials. I know that throughout my YouTube career I just put out a bit, and I've deleted most of them because I did not see the quality being what I want to be synonymous with, what I want to be attached to, because I was just starting out then and I really did not know the basic of lighting and all of that. End of the day, you never know if something will work if you don't start it. So I'm just taking this leap of faith at the beginning of this year, and I'm going to start out with these things, and at the end of the year I'll be sure to share my stats with you guys so we can both look down on it and see if it worked for me, and maybe one person or two people can just take a cue from my changes. So this video, I don't think it's going to be a very long one. It's actually just me coming out here to tell you guys what to expect on my channel, which are the things I just explained. Like I said, I want my channel to be a one-stop for everybody of all age groups, except maybe children, because I don't have children yet. I'm not married yet, but when I get married and I start bearing children, I'll shift to the whole parenthood type of videos. So what I'm just trying to say is that this channel is going to be amazing. There's so many contents coming up, and now that I am free, I want to infuse my time and hard work and everything into this my channel and see how far it takes me. I have gone ahead to delete a lot of filler content, like I told you guys, and tweaked my playlist titles a bit so that it can resonate with each and every viewer that comes on my channel. I want to be known for making top-notch searchable videos, not just videos with numerous things inside of them. The thing you're not going to be seeing on this channel is celebrity gossip videos. I do not know how to do that. I'm going to do every other thing that I have mentioned, so just watch out for that, and let me know in the comment section as well what type of videos you want to see from me. I'm ready to go all out this year, and I hope it works out for me. I'm praying, I have my fingers crossed, and I hope it will. I know it will. Actually, I'm very positive here. So let me know in the comment section if there's any additional content you'd like to see here. Like I mentioned, the things I'm going to be putting out on this channel are IT hacks and entrepreneurship hacks and tips, and YouTube beginner series that I'm going to start, as well as my vlogs and fashion hauls, makeup tutorials, which are already existing. I'm also going to sprinkle a bit of cooking tutorials here and there. For the YouTube beginner series, I'll be sharing videos like how to film with your smartphone and still get quality videos, the type of equipment you should look out for, what to expect about monetization. I wrote them down. How to start a YouTube channel if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel in 2020. I'll give out all these tips because I've learned a lot of things along the way, and how to optimize your videos, a bunch of things. And in terms of the IT hacks, I'll be giving out IT abbreviations, things that you can shortcuts on your computers, Mac and Windows included, shortcuts that you can take to spend little or no time on your computer, and tricks as well. And in the entrepreneurship part, I'll be sharing with you guys side hustles you can do to make money online with little or no money, and how to start an online business, things that you can do from the comfort of your bedroom and still make good money. So these are all the things I'll be sharing. I'll be sharing recipe videos, a lot of things. Basically, my head is full at this point. Like, I have a book, guys. Let me show you my book. This is my book where I have everything written in it. See how large this book is, and I've been writing and writing for the past weeks, for the past 2 to 3 weeks, so it's going to be an amazing run. And yeah, if all of this I've mentioned and you did not hear what you want me to add to my channel, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be sure to see you in my next one. Bye.